truck to the channel. However, I didn't buy it. We are here picking up the Diamond C, and we're gonna go over and show you guys this absolute unit of a vehicle here. You guys should adore, love it, accept it with grace. Whoop, 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 whoop. And we have touchdown. This big guy out here. We will not be needing that today. The Diamond C is all loaded up here, and I'm going to tell you guys what we're up to today. Today we are going to overview my brother's brand new-ish, kinda, second gen swapped 4th gen Cummins. That's right, boys. We are officially becoming the 4th gen Cummins YouTube channel, one truck at a time. Alrighty, since we are picking up a truck, we went ahead and picked him up a 15 pack of good old Coors Light. Silver bullets here. Just bought this truck and I'm trying to convince them to do a burnout for you guys because I know that's what you guys want to see. I'm gonna try and bribe them with a cooler full of beer, maybe. Here he comes, finally. Oh yeah, there she is. Officially the #1 4th gen supply channel on YouTube. The stocks. Oh, you even got the amps? Yeah. It's like a twin to my truck.
I know.
What color is it, gray?
It's got metal plate, so much of it. It's like kind of like PXR on the gray.
Had a little bit of overflow there, I see.
Yeah, I just did that.
I brought you something because everybody on the channel wants to see this thing do a burnout. Since it is a 2nd gen swap Cummins here, it's on the trailer.
What?
It's the heaviest load that trailer's ever hauled right there. You gotta do all the work, sorry.
I'll do a small one.
I know you only need 3, but so give us a good old rundown of your new whip here.
2013 Mega Cab Laramie, black interior.
2nd gen swapped. Let's see it. Let's see the turbo here. Is that high mount?
Yeah, it's like inverted steed speed, but so it's a 467.7 stock fuel, ARP 625s, GDP intake horn. I mean, valve cover D&J, valve cover.
This is like the truck. I feel like this is like.
I love this thing.
Yeah.
It's the most I've ever spent on the truck, but it's definitely, oh, it's sick.
Yeah, ever since you bought the GMC, it was just like, it's cool. The truck was nice, like a gorgeous truck, but it wasn't like, I feel like you went outside of the bloodline a little bit. We've always been a Mopar Dodge family, Cummins family, really.
I was a black sheep with that one.
Yeah, yeah. He bought and completely redid a GMC. What year was that? 15 GMC Duramax with the LML. It was a gorgeous truck, but it wasn't a Dodge. It wasn't a Ram or whatever. So.
Oh, it's actually a funny story. Full send diesel, Kevin Kubinick, however you say his last name. From what I'm understand from what he said, is this truck was at his shop to design all the full send. Like that's like an OG compressor cover.
Okay. All right. So this is like the R&D setup for that kit. I'm assuming.
As far as I know, yeah. Like the coolant riser, all the full send stuff is all. Like I said, it's like I think based off of this truck. If you went valve springs, push rods, and up the fuel, I mean, that turbo is probably 700-800 capable.
Do you know what it's pushing right now?
No, probably 550. I haven't even turned it, like, I haven't even put it in tune 5 yet.
How many miles does the transmission have on? Or the engine build is?
I don't know about the engine stuff, but the transmission has 15 on it. So Muldoon Stage 2 68. So it's rated for 700.
Transmission is a 68 RFE, rated for 700 horsepower.
Dude, I added all the parts that have been put into this, like, what the hell was it?
You probably got
21 grand or something.
Yeah, you probably got 20 grand into this truck.
I mean, that metallic is crazy.
Yeah, okay, so is this a fresh buff? Because of paint, I don't see any swirls or nothing.
Coated, yep.
Okay, so fully ceramic coated. Pretty solid truck. Pull it up next to mine real quick, will you? These things are almost identical. Very, very close. Dude, you even got the color match front bumper there. Match mine. I mean, a lot of people told me to color match the entire truck or do a different color, do something. But man, once that silver all comes together, you can see on this truck too, once the silver wraps around the front with the lower valance and everything, I mean, it just makes the truck pop. It adds a whole nother level to the paint job here.
Always hated two-tone until I saw that.
Until you saw mine.
Yeah, silver is super, super clean. Like two-tone silver. Like I don't know about gold or any of that. I'm not much on that anymore either, but the silver I think looks awesome with two-tone.
Yeah. Ripper right up there. Oh, whoa, stop. Diamond C ramps are designed to not do that. I do not know why they keep doing that. They did it to me in Florida. Oh yeah, she looks gorgeous. Not really any major reason to be doing this, honestly. Pretty much just for visual effects for you guys, for like the intro and stuff like that. But Cody's gonna hop in my truck, and I'm gonna hop in his truck. I'm gonna give you guys an onboard tour what it's like going down the highway. All right, time to do something that's illegal, I think. Let's go take an interior tour of the Mint truck here. It's hot in here. And we are off, boys. Oh, you know, just driving around, not touching the steering wheel. I kind of feel like I'm in a Tesla right now, only the complete opposite. I've been wanting to do this for a while. I've never sat in the truck and not done anything while it's going on the road. Plus, you got the good old Mega Slab up there, just absolutely killing it. Old Mega Cab up there is just cooking. Oh, nice and relaxing. Dude, this is the way to carpool to like a long event or something like that, like to Florida. This would be sick, as long as you don't get caught. It is still quite bumpy though, if you can see. So we're gonna do an interior review going down the highway right now. Absolutely plush leather, gorgeous embroidery here, or whatever you want to call it. Nice wood grain dash here. Absolutely flawless execution of the most illegal thing I've done today. This guy loves it. This guy doesn't even know what to think. We did that without getting arrested. Alrighty. Just got up here, and to make this video a little bit more visually pleasing for you guys, we are going to do another rim and tire swap, the fourth one in about 2 weeks. We are putting the specialties on Cody's truck to kind of tempt him into buying big wheels and tires. You like the 24s or no?
Yeah, it needs 24s.
24s are the best well-rounded rim size there is, 100%.
No.
What is?
22 by 12.
22 by 12? My God, bro. All right, so what you guys are looking at right now, it seems blatantly obvious, but we have two 2013 Ram 2500s up here. Cummins, of course, with a 5-inch deleted exhaust, with the silver trim, Laramie's. These things are basically the evil twin of one another. It's like the red pill or the blue pill, kinda. Only this one's gray. See what Murdog thinks of matching trucks here. How many people you got in that thing?
Are we gonna be internet famous now?
Yeah, you want to be? You ever seen anything like this?
No, not today.
Cody's first off-road experience coming right up. It's not that hard to destroy your brand new truck, Cody. Oh yeah, yeah, easy now. Dude, just out here bugging. Bro, I cannot believe you just did that.
My heart's racing.
Let's see what she's got. We all know she's got something. We're gonna let him do a burnout on my wheels and tires here. Good idea? Bad idea? I don't know. What's at risk here? My tires and his transmission. So he kind of depicts on where this whole thing goes. But I put money on it, he doesn't do a big one. We'll find out. Beautiful Nitto in the air. See if he'll do another one. Once it lit, I mean, it took a second, I think. I don't really know his throttle position there. Once it lit, I mean, that thing, she lit right up. Come on back there, I don't want to walk. Let's go. Let's go. You don't want to do another one? All right, we're bouncing. That rolls a little bit now. They didn't do that the other day. It rolls now.
Yeah, he turned it up quite a bit. It definitely has more ass behind it.
Rev limiter, two-step, whatever you want to call it, always sounds good.
That smoked a lot more than it did last
Oh,
night.
dude, it covered the Mega. We put it back on the limited stocks for you guys because I know half of you are just dying to see it back on the limited stocks. Even though this is a aftermarket performance customization truck channel, you guys, I just feel like you guys like the stock stuff better, which makes no sense, but whatever. Come on, watch the paint. This truck is so weird. Like it's like a mix between all the trucks that we already own. Like it's a mix. It's got parts for my black truck. It's basically a twin brother to my Mega, and then it's like the same color as his other gray truck. So this is, of course, the standard black Laramie interior you would typically find in a Laramie Mega Cab. Said when I bought my Mega Cab, the tan and brown isn't necessarily rare. It's just not very common. This is the more common interior, but regardless, I mean, both interiors are extremely clean. Is it louder with the tune in it? New tune?
Oh, it just gets muffled down when it starts smoking.
I'll light it up next to the police station.
I don't know about that.
Picks up a little bit more than my Mega Cab, a little bit. It hats back on. Did a nice pull. I don't have any data for you guys, not yet. Everybody knows you're coming if you get out like that. Probably lights up this whole strip down through here. Oh, a second gen swap 4th gen's coming my way. Well, what are the chances? The ear-piercing, diesel-chugging monster. That's what you need right there. All red Jeep. That's rough. That's rough. We get serious when a 4th gen Mega Cab pulls up next to you with a phone hanging out, pointing at the exhaust. Alrighty, so. Oh shit. Jesus, I forgot the sets came out. All right, so now that the truck is nice and hot, you gotta put her away here. All right, boys, that is it for my brother's brand new 2nd gen swap Mega Cab video. We are calling it. You gonna bounce limiter with the Mazda real quick, or what? You gonna leave these guys hanging or what? They've only heard one limiter in this video. Do a fresh cold start limiter.
$500.
What was that? Brother. What was that? Where's the exhaust on this thing? Not bad for $500. All right, guys, that's it. We're calling it. We'll see you guys next time. Nothing else to say. See you, bye.